Hello friend, welcome back. In our previous video here we successfully complete our purchase page, the policy page and the refund page, right? So everything is great. So now friend, in this video I want to create one of the product details page. That means if you click it on here, then that will be redirected to one of the details page. So let's do that work. For doing this I want to do here right now we don't need this. I want to close everything. Okay, close everything. Great. And then in our pages, first of all I want to create another parent component. So our procedure will be just like that same. I want to create another component as a product, product details page. Okay, product details page .jsx. I created one of the component, that is a parent component. I want to create another class based component. I hope friend you enjoying this part because everything is very interconnected. I hope at that point it's very easy to you. Now first of all I want to load on the fragment. I simply loaded that fragment, right? So that is our main part, and in this main part area what exactly we have to do, better from the contact I copy everything. Okay, I copy everything. Now in our product details I loaded some of the by default all that component, and then I loaded this fragment because this part will be just like that same. I copy it, and now in our product details page, into the product details page I loaded. Okay, so now we have to create some of the component. I want to do right now here, we don't need this. I close it, and also I want to take this our component did mount, and here after this component I use it. Great. So right now we don't need this. Perfect. Okay, and then we have to create another component. Better I want to do in our component area, I want to now create another folder for the product details. I name it as a product details. Okay, product details, one of the folder, and here I want to create another component as a product details .jsx. So that will be as a product details .jsx, and then I create another class based component. Everything is great, and then I loaded another fragment. So that will be as a fragment. I loaded this fragment. Okay, and then now in our page, that means the product details page, now that should be not that contact page. Here I want to load out this component as a product details, product and then detail, right? So that is a product detail component, one of the child component, and also our product detail is now executed. So right now we don't need this contact. I want to remove it. Okay, great, perfect. So now everything is work perfectly. Now we have to create another route. Now go to our that is our route, and that is our app route. For the app route I want to create another one. I copy it, and then I name it. I name this as a product detail, product and then detail. Okay, product details. Later we will also pass all the ID, and then here we have to load our which component, our parent component as a product details page. I name it as a product detail page. So that is our product detail page. I loaded this product detail page. That is our product detail page. Okay, perfect. It's now loaded successfully. So now our URL will be this. So now first of all I want to do in our home page, in our feature product, here I want to actually add some of the link for redirected to our details page. If you want to do that work, I copy it, and now go to our component, and there is our home component, right? In the home component there is a feature product. Into the feature product you can see there is all on the column, right? And then there is one of the card. So into this card area I want to put on the link. I put that link, I load this link, and I close this link. First of all I have to check it. Link should be comes from our which place? It should be comes from our React router dump, right? Which is totally fine. So into the link area I want to use it as a to, and to our URL I have created as a / product details, right? And now I want to make everything in our this link area. So that is our total card, and after this card I want to finish this link. Okay, I want to finish this link. Now if you click as a save all, and now go our page, now click as a refresh. Okay, now refresh, and now go to our, you can see it's automatically now get this link. Click it on here. Yes, you can see it's successfully redirected to our product details page. So right now our product details page is empty, only our navigation for the desktop and the mobile is footer is visible. So now we have to work in our this place. Right now we don't need this. I close it. There is a product details also. Here we don't need this, and now there is also not important. I close it, and there is a product details page. Now we have to design this page, right? So I have already created this design, as I told you, friend. At that point I think it's not much hard for you. If you go for the product details, if you go to the pages, you can see there is a fragment. So I copy the total fragment. I simply copy the total fragment from to this position. So there is a fragment. I copy this. Okay, I copy this. So everything is very common. You can see there is a column, row. I think you already know there is some of the class names. So I copy it, and then after this there is a fragment. Into this fragment area here I want to paste it. Okay, I paste it. So now what I want to use it a little bit into the left position. So there is a column. I want to make it a little bit left position. Okay, so now if you click as a save all, what exactly the design I have created, I show you. I click as a save all, and also I have created another CSS. I have created another CSS as a there is a product details, simple CSS. I copy it, and product details.css I didn't create it. First of all I want to create this CSS. That is actually a CSS, and here I want to create another new one as a product detail dot css. Okay, so now this product details dot css, first of all here I paste it. So there is a product name one of the class, there is a product price card one of the class, and the review title one of the class. So that's simple, some of the class you created. And as I told you, after the end of this video I will also push this code to the GitHub. You will get everything. Okay, you will get everything, so don't worry about it. So now that is our product details CSS. We have to also add it in our custom area. Here we have to input it, right? I want to input our these product details. So I make it as a product detail. Okay, product details. Perfect. So now that should be executed. Click as a save all. And if you now go to our product details page, click as a refresh, and you can see it's not showing as a container is not defined. Because of all here I am actually using, if you go to that product details, into the product, you can see there's a container, the row, the container, again the row. So now we have to also load this everything. Better I want to do from our any other pages, like here I want to take it, I copy it, and then in our product details I want to input our container, row, card, form, and then bottom. Form will be not needed, bottom will be also not needed, only our these three will be needed. As I told you, friend, I hope you all at that point you already know there is a fragment and there is a container. Here I created one of the class name as a between two section, and then you can see there is a row, and then I take one of the column. Into this column area I take another row. So there is pretty basic everything. If I write this code, actually it should be take minimum the 2 hours or 1 hour. Okay, so I don't want to actually spend this time. So simply some of the CSS HTML code here is in here. So I hope it should be not hard for you. Okay, so as I told you, I will also share this total exercise file with you, so don't worry about it. So now if you click as a save all, and now let's check this out. Now click as a refresh it again. Perfect. You can see everything is great. So it's very basic. Like here they have some of the images, there's some of the title name, there is our product title name will be visible. So every part will be actually dynamic, friend. First of all, I'm going to load some of the images. If you go to your exercise file, here I have also loaded some of the product picture. There is a product picture. So now I want to take this picture. Okay, copy it, and now in our project, into the project, in our images, you can also create another folder for this as a product. So better I want to create another folder as a product. Okay, product. So into the product folder area, and you want to save it. Okay, I simply save this all that images. Now we have to load this image. If you want to load it, first of all we have to input. So that will be the input, and then into the import area we have to load this name. I name it as a product. Okay, product one, and then that will be counts from. Okay, from our places. First of all, you have to go outside from to this folder, and then the another one, and then the asset, and then the images, and then here I have created another one as a product, and with this product folder I have named it as a product one, product product one dot png or jpg. Like there is a product, you can see the product one dot png. So now I do not use it as a png. Perfect. So now there's the same things I want to import for the another one, the 2 3 4. Okay, there will be as a product 1 2 and then 3 and then there is a 4. So also that will be as a 1 2 and then the 3 and then there is a 4. Okay, so now we have to actually display it. Like there is some of the src images. I want to display some of the default image. Okay, so here that will be one of the default image. I want to display the product 1, and also that will be our first image. I want to use again as a product 1, that will be for the product 2. Okay, that will be as a product 2, that will be for the product 3. Okay, product 3, and that will be for the product 4. So now I want to remove a bit, and here that will be as a product 1, then the 2, the 3, and then that is a 4. Perfect. Now if you click at the save all, now go to our page, now click at the refresh. Perfect. You can see that is our images. So later we'll actually add some of the action in particular that area. So that is our details page. Okay, that means if you go to our home page, and from the home page, if you go to this product, so this product related first image will be visible in here, and it will be also loaded all that are multiple images. And also here I want to do, when you click it and here, then this image will be loaded. When you click in particular this picture will be loaded, and when you click it in here, this picture will be loaded. Okay, and also you use some of the extension for make it as a zooming. So as I told you friend, I will actually I will try to explain everything. So how you can use some of the zooming functionality, I will also cover it. So first of all, that will be our product name. If there is dynamic product name will be visible. Then if this product have any short description will be visible. If there is a product regular price will be visible. If this product have any discount, this discount will be visible in here. Okay, and after that discount, that will be display our new price. So you can actually display that things like that way. Rather than if you want to use another style, it's totally fine. Just learn that main concept, so which is very important. Okay. So, and then also I want to add some of the functionality. When this product have any color, then only this functionality will be executed. Okay, rather than that will be not display. And also when this product have any size, then this choose size option will be available, rather than this choose size option will be not visible in here. So from here you can select some of the sizes, you can select some of the color, and from here you can set up the quantity. After that you can add this to cart. So when you click as add to cart, our notification will be updated. That means here this item will be updated. You can, from here you can order now. You can also make it as a favorite page. Okay, also you have to create some of the favorite, so you can also make it as a favorite or wish list, whatever you choose. Okay, so every functionality will be executed. And also if this product have any long description, so this long description will be visible in here. There is a multiple product images, the product short description. And also if you want to add that review system, then how can add this review? I also want to share that things with you. Okay, the review functionality, how can do that work, I will show you. And that is the very basic part for our product details page. And into the product details, if you also want to display, like that is one of the category, right? For education purpose, I simply take it as a one of the computer category. So I want to also show some of the you may like option. That means the related categorized product I want to visible it in here. Okay, that means this laptop related, and rest of this product also I want to display in here. So better I want to continue this process. In our next video I will show you that things with a live example. I want to create another design for the related product. Thanks for watching. I will see you in the next video.